Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete Airbnb account. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to delete Airbnb account. Maybe because you no longer need the account, or you may be having some issues with the account, so you want to delete it so that you could create a new account. Or maybe you're having some privacy issues, so you want to delete it. Or there could be any other reason for you to delete your Airbnb account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Airbnb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Airbnb app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some options at the top and some bottom as well, and there's some of the products, or you could say places, available in the middle of the screen. So if you want to rent out, you can rent it out, or if you want to purchase, you can do that. So here you just have to simply click on your profile icon. Once you get here, you will first read the title of profile, you will find some of your personal information, and then you will see the settings option. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in this app. So from all these options, you have to tap on this last option which says privacy and sharing. This one, just simply tap onto this option and then you will get here. First you will read the title of privacy and sharing and you find 5 options. So in this middle of option you will find this option which says delete my account. So if you want to delete your account, you just have to simply tap onto that option. But here it also has some instructions, like if you delete your account, it will be permanently delete your account. You will no longer be able to get back your data if you have any one of these apps. So first here you have to explain like why you are leaving this app and where do you live. So the first option of reside, it is compulsory, you have to answer it, but the second option is optional. So first you have to enter the country in which you live, and if you want to answer the second question, you may tap on it. There will be some options, you can select any one of these. Otherwise, if you want to skip that option, you can skip it. It's optional, it's all up to you. So once we tap on it, here you can see we have 5 options. You may read it, and if you find anyone suitable, you can tap on it. Otherwise, you can go with the other one if you don't want to explain what happened to you on this app. Now just simply tap on this option, delete account, and after that it will ask you again if you want to really delete your account or not. It also show you an option through which you can deactivate, but we are as here to delete, therefore we just have to simply tap on it. After that it will send a verification code or an OTP to your email address. Then you have to copy that OTP and paste it here. After that your account will get deleted. So here the OTP has been sent. Now it's just time to click on option done. After that the account will permanently get deleted and your data which is on the app or the account will be deleted too. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete Airbnb account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.